Today, we're going to talk about Marbella. Marbella competes with the French Riviera for Mediterranean glitz and offers everything you could want from a posh beach resort. There are Michelin-starred restaurants, golf courses, designer shops, marinas full of opulent yachts, and a long stretch of sandy beaches. It is then no surprise why millionaires and celebrities have been visiting this location for so long. There are many small discoveries around the resort for the curious ones, such as the Renaissance palaces in the Old Town, or the remains of Roman villas tucked between the opulent developments. So, let's look at the top 5 things that you can do in Marbella. Number 5. Explore the Old Town. Walk through Alameda Park and cross the street, leaving the seafront behind. Instantaneously, concrete hotels and apartment buildings give way to flower-covered, whitewashed homes. This is Marbella's Casco Historico, Old Town, a small area of shady squares, cobblestone streets, and historic structures. You will enjoy roaming around the streets on a lovely journey filled with bars and terraces as you take in its sights, sounds, and smells. It resembles a maze of narrow alleyways surrounded by beds of vibrant geraniums, among which we can find those that are most representative of the Old Town. You can see a lot of the city's history here. You can also find a lot of independent shops and boutique stores in the Old Town, which is great for finding a one-of-a-kind gift or souvenir. Although Marbella is well known for its glitz and for being the premier tourist destination in Europe, its emergence was very different. The Malagan town relied on the sea, Mediterranean agriculture, and livestock raising for its livelihood. Its oldest section still has a seaside vibe, and the Arab influence can be seen in the small lanes. This is also another famous corner in Marbella that represents the city and serves as its emblem. As the name suggests, Orange Tree Square is covered in these, whose fruit produces an aroma of orange blossom that mesmerizes anyone who approaches. Nothing compares to stopping here for a drink in the sun and to breathe in the fragrant natural air of Andalusia. Construction on it began during the reign of the Catholic monarchs, and today anyone visiting Marbella must see it. There are numerous photo opportunities throughout the Old Town that you can't help but capture on camera. You can wander around aimlessly for hours and take pictures. Number 4. Roam around Puerto Banús. Puerto Banús is situated to the west of Marbella. It is a relatively new town that was built in the 1970s by local developer Jose Bonds in a lovely location within the town of Marbella. The region offers a lovely setting with stunning ocean views and a mountainous backdrop. Puerto Banús has quickly evolved into a hangout for hen and stag parties, as well as a playground for jet setters. You can pass the time here sipping on a cocktail while watching the super rich cruise in their private yachts and driving a Ferrari or Lamborghini. Despite its small size, Puerto Banús offers a staggering array of amenities and sights, including stunning beaches on either side of the port, a wide variety of restaurants and bars, water sports, golf, a casino, a movie theater, and an incredible array of upscale and pricey boutiques. El Corte Inglés, the largest department store chain in Spain, also has a placement here. You can board a boat tour of the nearby coastline from the Central Promenade area if you want to get a bird's-eye view of the port and its stunning surroundings. Also, if you're looking for a vibrant and varied nightlife scene, Puerto Banús is unquestionably the place to go. The town is teeming with outdoor bars, piano bars, and discos that stay open until dawn. Number 3. The beaches. One of the most visited cities in Spain is Marbella, and it's easy to see why. It's a beach lover's paradise. Its 27 kilometers of coastline is home to a whopping 23 beaches, including some of the best beaches on the Costa del Sol. For their cleanliness, excellence, and preservation of the natural environment, Marbella's beaches have received the most blue flags in Andalusia over the years. If you want a good beach close to Marbella's center, relaxing music, a calm atmosphere, and affordable prices, then Bounty Beach is the answer. Playa del Cabo is the official name of the beach. Bounty Beach is the name of the beach bar. From the bar, you can rent paddle boats, canoes, and sun loungers. Volleyball players and individuals interested in participating in water sports frequently visit Bounty Beach. Then there's Playa de Rio Real, another outstanding beach close to Marbella. The only windsurfing club in Marbella, Windsurf Marbella, is located on the beach and offers lessons and board rentals for all skill levels. Additionally, available for rental are sun loungers, jet skis, and banana boats. Some more fun beaches here include Playa de Alicate, Playa Homarsa, Playa Real de Zaragoza, Nikki Beach, and many more. All of these beaches are equally fun and would fill up your beach day with much more excitement. Number 2. Have fun with water sports. The Mediterranean will be calling you at Marbella's seafront. Unfortunately, there are many ways to get there. There are a few businesses in and around the marina that offer thrill-seeking activities, like jet skiing, parasailing, wakeboarding, and terrifying powerboat rides. If bouncing around the ocean at 50 miles per hour isn't your idea of fun, you can always rent a luxury yacht to live like Marbella's ultra-rich for a day. It's surprisingly affordable to rent a yacht with a captain if you pool together with friends or family. You can sail out to sea or anchor at swanky beach clubs, where launches will even bring your food and drinks to you. Additionally, you can go sailing, fishing, windsurfing, banana boating, paddleboarding, jet skiing, snorkeling, and scuba diving. You can also explore these water wonders with Marbella boat cruises, taking in the sunset, marine life, fishing, and other activities. If you find the idea of participating in water sports too adventurous. One way or the other, there's plenty to do here. Number 1. Take up the history at Roman Villa. Rio Verde's ancient site was formerly a part of the enormous Roman city of Sylania. It currently houses the ruins of a Roman villa from the last century AD. Sadly, the villa's floor and a small fraction of its walls are all that remain. But it is a floor like any other, adorned with mosaic tiles in black and white that have never before been seen in a Roman villa, and intricately surrounded by a border made of the same extraordinary black and white stones. These mosaics are definitely worth a visit, and could be considered a monument in and of themselves. The columns that once held the building together have been taken out, and are likely to become a part of another majestic structure nearby. The mosaics, however, are renowned for their unusual shape and are entirely original. In contrast to traditional mosaics, which feature classical themes and decorative elements, the villa at Rio Verde exhibits an odd assortment of black and white images, including shoes, kitchenware, and tables piled high with food. They have been preserved remarkably well. The terraces lead to additional rooms with mosaic decorations. One of these rooms features a mythical face, suggesting that it once served as a shrine to a mythical god. According to a popular belief, this is Medusa, the Gorgon's queen. Ancient Romans used the representation of a Medusa's head as a deterrent to burglars and other intruders, much like a scarecrow or guard dog. A treat for history lovers. So, when do you plan on visiting this fun city where there's a lot to do and a lot to explore? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, where to next?